I'm Amy, and I'm going to show you how to use this AI Data Analytics tool to get deeper insights and various visualizations from any CSV export from an online platform, in this case, Stripe. Okay, we're going to start by just uploading our own file. And I'm going to go and take this CSV file. Okay, so I'm going to pick this data set, and Querri is going to upload that for me now. So as you can see, Querri uploaded my data set, and it gave me like an overview over my data set. It's telling me how many customer records there are, how many unique affiliates, and so forth and so on. And if you have questions that you want to have answered from your data, you can just go ahead and ask them right here. In this case, I'm going to take one of these suggestions right here. So I'm going to take sign up time and trend analysis. So as you can see, Querri went ahead and analyzed. We picked chart customer sign-up volumes over time based on created UTC to identify peaks and lulls in acquisition. And if you click on this little thing here, reasoning, it's going to explain to you what it did to get to these answers. So here you can see daily customer sign-up. Let's open that up. Daily customer sign-up counts, and you can see that right here. And here we have customer sign-up trend chart, and it's interactive. And if you click on this little text below here, it will actually give you the step details, step information. So this is great for checking the work of this AI tool because we don't want a black box. We want to know what's happening. And as you can see, there's all kinds of different, you can do sign up forecasting, for example. It gives you all kinds of suggestions, which is really helpful if you're just kind of trying to dig deeper and get more insights. Like I said, if you have a specific question you want to ask, you just ask it, and it'll answer the question for you if the answer is available in your data. And what is really great about this tool is that even if you don't exactly know what you're trying to answer, but you know you want more information and you're trying to like improve your strategy, this is a really great way to just kind of play around with your data. You literally just upload the CSV and start asking questions or tap on suggestions. So here it did customer sign-up forecast based on past sign-ups, which is quite interesting. And if you go on here, you'll be able to see the reasoning as we did before. Say we want to build a dashboard that has a little bit more information than the one I can get out of my platform that I'm using. I can just ask it to just go ahead and create 10 visualizations for my data. Sometimes you don't know what exactly the best visualization is to help you understand what's going on. So I like asking that question. It gives me options. Okay, so we can see how it created a whole bunch of charts and graphs for us now, which I find a little interesting as I asked it for 10. If I click on reasoning, it says you've asked for 10. So far we've only created 2, so it remembered that we had 2 already up here. And so it only made it 8, which is kind of funny. But, if you really wanted 10, you could ask for 2 more. I just wanted to have a collection of visualizations. So I have all these here, and they give me different information. And I can either, new dashboard, I can either create a new dashboard, customer sign up, and just click on that and say add. And add the things that I think are helpful to my dashboard. And if you can expand it, you get more information. And they're interactive. But another way to if you're just trying to get a quick overview over your data and you just want to have a quick dashboard you can share with people, you literally can just go here and say, can you create a dashboard for me? And as you can see, it says it created a dashboard, which you can find on the side here where it says dashboards. I love the confetti. And it just took all the visualizations we did and the insights we collected and created a dashboard for us, which is incredible. And obviously you can come and edit it, and you can add, there's a custom rich text content editor, and you can add more context and more information if you want to. If you wanted to start one from scratch, you just go right here where it says dashboard and plus, and then you can pick a dashboard that you want to create and make your own. But I love that you can literally, with one prompt, after making your analysis, create a dashboard that out of the visualizations that you just made. So there you go. That's your fastest way to take a CSV file out of any kind of online software platform and start asking questions and build a dashboard.